There are people who can't start their day without having a freshly brewed cup of coffee. They love coffee so much that sometimes they call themselves coffee addicts, and we understand that all too well. However, drinking your daily cups of coffee isn't necessarily a bad habit. On the contrary, it's proven to be healthy, scientists say. Your daily morning coffee provides you with more than just an energy boost. It's also shown to protect us against type 2 diabetes and liver diseases, as well as lowering the risks of heart failure. Besides the effect on our health, here are some of the more interesting facts about coffee. Number 1. Coffee comes from a fruit. Did you know that coffee beans grow on a tropical shrub with glossy leaves and fragrant white flowers? This shrub is commonly known as the coffee tree. They are actually the pit of a cherry, which makes them a fruit. This fruit should be harvested when it is red or bright yellow, such as Caturra or Cachaouay-type coffees. If the fruit is green, it is not yet mature. If the fruit is black, rotting, then it will develop a bitter and unpleasant taste if harvested and roasted. The longer the coffee beans have been roasted, the healthier they are. Decaffeinated coffee is the result of a chemical process in which the caffeine is removed from the beans. The caffeine is then often sold to major brands working in the beverage industry. Number 2. Coffee was discovered by a goat herder. Ever heard about Kaldi's legend? It is said that coffee was discovered by a goat herder in Ethiopia in the 1500s. This man was called Kaldi, and he watched his goats eat coffee cherries. He then observed a change in their behavior. They gained a certain amount of energy and no longer slept at night. The farmer shared his findings with local monks. After making their own coffee bean drink, they realized that they could stay up all night and pray. The news spread through other Ethiopian monks and soon after to the entire civilized world until it became one of the most popular drinks in the world. Number 3. World's most expensive coffee. Unusual but true. Did you know that the faces of an Asian palm civet is used to make one of the most expensive coffee, called Kopi Luwak, also known as cat poop coffee? The coffee is made from coffee cherries that have been eaten, digested, and then pooped out by the mammal. The beans are then cleaned and processed. With prices ranging from $100 to $600 a pound, this coffee is known as the world's most expensive coffee. Number 4. Coffee is full of antioxidants. Coffee's powerful antioxidants can help protect your body from disease. Coffee is surprisingly rich in antioxidants, naturally occurring plant compounds that have been shown to help protect against several chronic diseases, including heart disease and cancer. Coffee is particularly rich in an antioxidant called chlorogenic acid, which has been linked with helping to reduce cholesterol, triglyceride, and blood sugar levels. Coffee is also rich in vitamins. A cup of coffee contains a good dose of vitamin B9, which is involved in the renewal of immune cells, growth, and the proper functioning of the nervous system. Number 5. Banned by religion. Little historic fact. Coffee was banned in Mecca beginning of 16th century because it was thought to stimulate radical thinking and idleness, but also in the Christian religion, where it was seen as the devil's drink. At the very end of the 16th century, Pope Clement VIII decided to pass judgment on coffee himself. But despite its stigma and allegedly diabolical origin, the pontiff decided to taste it anyway and found coffee very pleasant. Since that day, coffee can be drunk without having to call an exorcist afterwards. Number 6. Second in the world. With over 2.25 billion cups of coffee consumed worldwide on a daily basis, coffee is actually the second most traded commodity in the world, surpassed only by crude oil. It is our most beloved beverage after water. It's worth well over $100 billion worldwide. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more updates and notifications. Coffee Specialized Webshop, Italian's finest coffee roasters. We sell coffee beans, ground coffee, coffee capsules, and ESE paper pods.